क्रैशिंग किसे कहते हैं? समझने वाली बात ज़रा कि when you have calculated the duration of each activity based on the nominal resource requirement, then you get a duration of the complete project based on that calculation. But if that does not suit your requirement and you have to reduce the duration of activities, then after calculating the critical path, you only reduce the duration of the activities which are on the critical path. You only reduce the duration of the activities which are on the critical path, and that's how you decrease the total duration of the project. This process of reduction of the duration of activities on the critical path is called crashing. It is also called time cost trade-off, time cost trade-off or crashing. Today we are going to learn how to efficiently reduce the total duration of the project without causing any harm as far as the cost is concerned. So you are increasing the cost to a minimal and still reducing the duration of every activity. If the schedule you develop does not allow the project to complete when desired, you might have to take action to decrease the total project duration. This is known as crashing the schedule. Analyze all the available options and choose those that provide greatest compression for the lowest cost. That means you decrease the duration of activity, decrease the duration or the schedule or completion time of the project at the minimal cost. Okay, why is it minimal cost? Because whenever you decrease the duration, for example, a activity is supposed to be completed in 10 days. Now if you want to complete it in 5 days, that means you'll have to put in more resource, and more resource would mean costing more money. But some activities cost more money to crash and other activities cost less money to crash. You only crash those activities which cost lesser money. You only crash those activities which cost lesser money, right? If it is absolutely necessary for you to crash the activities which are expensive, you only then crash those activities which are expensive to crash, right? We will see how to find out which activities are more expensive to crash and which are less, and therefore how to go about crashing. Now careful planning is critical. What are these activities? The cost of an activity. Time, cost. Finishing the activity in a lesser time, and crash cost is spending more money than the normal time. So both are in the opposite direction. When you want to crash the times become lesser. But when you want to crash the cost, the crash goes up. The crash cost is higher. So the crash cost is higher than the normal cost, and crash time or crash schedule is lesser than the normal time, right? We calculate our normal time is or normal in the same sense as m